they glow so bright. Under city lights we take flight. Street sounds hum a midnight tune. Our dreams chase the silver moon. Skyscrapers touch the velvet sky. In this jungle where shadows lie. They glow so bright. Under city lights we take flight. Street sounds hum a midnight tune. Our dreams chase the silver moon. Skyscrapers touch the velvet sky. In this jungle where shadows lie. Concrete rivers where stories flow. Nighttime hides where daylight shows. City lights gonna steal your heart. Urban jungle work of art. Dreams are born when the world falls asleep. City lights hold secrets to keep. Taxi cabs and honking horns. Lights turn to dawns before you're born. Crowded sidewalks and flashing lights. Every soul its own stage fright. Above the noise, we find our place, we make our choice. In the heart of cities beat, where strangers in the night can meet. City lights gonna steal your heart. Urban jungle, a work of art. Dreams are born when the world falls asleep. City lights hold secrets to keep. City lights gonna steal your heart. Urban jungle, a work of art. Dreams are born when the world falls asleep. City lights hold secrets to keep. Taxi cabs and honking horns. Nights turn to dawns before you're born. Crowded sidewalks and flashing lights. Every soul its own stage fright. the slouchy queen. Chips and salsa, got a world to explore. Got no plans except to want some more. Feet up high, sinking deep in the sea. Pretending I'm the hero when I cheat. Cartoons and dramas, they're my loyal crew. Living large right here in my own view. Flipping through the channels like I'm lost. A marathon of shows, no love lost. Who needs the outside when I've got this? In my closet fortress, where I find bliss. Feet up high, sinking deep in the sea. Pretending I'm the hero when I cheat. Cartoons and dramas, they're my loyal crew. Living large right here, I own you. Flipping through the channels like a boss. A marathon of shows, no love lost. Who needs the outside when I got this? In my cozy fortress, where I find bliss. Text message dreams, I just open my eyes. Social life is just in disguise. Living real lives, I cheer and I grin. Every lazy moment, my small wins. Morning turns to nights on mine. Wake up, but I'm still sleeping. Reality's just creeping. Eyes wide, but they're closed tight. Walking daydream through the night. Stars above, they guide my way. Moonlight turns the night to day. Every step feels like I'm flying. In this dreamland, no denying. Who are dancing in the clouds, never coming down from the heights, chasing dreams without a sound. In dreamland, life simplified. Mirrors show me who I am, but reflections start to bend. Whispers echo through the mist. In this world I can't resist. Who are dancing in the clouds, never coming down from the heights, chasing dreams without a sound. In dreamland, life The sky at night used to light.
Boys of Mary? Right now?
Stars can
yeah.
only watch and fly. Colors dance in pure delight. Dreams awake in the dead of night. Silhouettes against the blaze. Faces glow in sparkling haze. Silent cheers of voiceless praise. Moments locked in a dazzling craze. Boom, boom goes the sky tonight. Hearts race in the blinding light. Hold on tight, we're taking flight. Fireworks chase away the fright. Whispers lost to the midnight breeze. Magic in the sizzling tease. Thunder rolls like distant seas. Yet peace is found in memories. Every flash a story told. Every spark breaks the night's hold. Young and old and wonder bold. For a while there's no wrongs to scold. Boom, boom goes the sky tonight. Hearts race in the blinding light. Hold on tight, we're taking flight. Fireworks chase away the fright. Boom, boom goes the sky tonight. Hearts race in the blinding light. Hold on tight, we're taking flight. Fireworks chase away the fright. Racing hearts under the moonlight sky. Soul meets soul, no need to ask why. With every beat we're flying high. Love's a train, won't say goodbye. Your laughter echoes through the night. Together we shine stars so bright. In your eyes my dreams take flight. Hold me close, hold on tight. Heart and soul forever entwined. Time and space we leave behind. Promises whispered in the wind. Till the end of time will spin. Through stormy seas and endless roads, we'll find our way, carry the load. With every step our story's told. Heart and soul forever bold. the silence of the breaking dawn, we'll build a world to call our own. With every sunrise we are reborn. Heart and soul, we're never alone. Heart and soul forever entwined. Time and space we leave behind. Promises whispered in the wind. Till the end of time will spin. Whispers in the night so clear. Shadows bring my darkest fear. But there's a light that won't deceive. In my heart I still believe. Lost in dreams that never fade. Walking paths that we both made. Through the storm and through the grief, in my soul I still believe. I still believe that love defined. Even when the stars don't shine. In every truth and every lie, I still believe that we can fly. Echoes of a distant song, memories that linger long. In the silence where we grieve, deep inside I still believe. Mountains tall and valleys low. In the river's gentle flow. No matter what I will retrieve. That simple faith I still believe. I still believe in love undying. Hearts that beat and never lie. In the end when we leave, I still believe in what we weave. The beat and never lie. In the end when we leave, I still believe in what we weave.
sun through the window panes, a gentle reminder of love's sweet refrains. We gently sway in a coffee-scented haze, lost in the warmth of these tranquil days. Whispers of steam rise in curling embrace as you stir your coffee with delicate grace. Fingers touch a soft, familiar scene. In this serene cafe, love feels so keen. Whispers of steam rise in curling embrace as you stir your coffee with delicate grace. Fingers touch a soft, familiar scene. In this serene cafe, love feels so keen. Sip by sip, our hearts unwind. In this quiet corner, love's defined. With every note the piano plays, our hearts compose a soft, sweet phrase. Candles flicker, shadows softly dance. In this cafe's glow we find romance. Eyes meet in a silent trance. In each other's presence we enhance. Moments linger, time stands still. Every shared smile, every thrill. Words unspoken, yet understood. Here in this corner, life is good. Sip by sip, our hearts unwind. In this quiet corner, love's defined. With every note the piano plays, our hearts compose a soft, sweet phrase. Sip by sip, our hearts unwind. In this quiet corner, love's defined. With every note the piano plays, our hearts compose a soft, sweet phrase.